Dear students, now we are going to find out the appreciation of the poem. We are going to know what is the appreciation of the poem. Our first poem, Be the Best, Standard 8, subject English. So now look at the appreciation of the poem. The title of the poem is Be the Best, and this poem is written by Douglas Malloch. This poem is written by Douglas Malloch. The poem has total 4 stanzas. As you can see, there are 4 stanzas in the poem, and each stanza has 4 lines. The line that rhymes in each stanza is the first and the second. As you can see, the first and second and the third and the fourth, these 4 lines are rhyming with each other. First line and second line and third line and fourth line, they are rhyming with each other. The poet compares big things with small things in this poem. So as you know that the poem is full of comparison. For example, the pine is compared with a scrub, then bush is compared with grass, then muskie is compared with bass, after that captain is compared with crew, then all the big things are compared with small things. After that, the repeated expression in the poem is if you can't be is again and again repeated in the poem. As you can see in the poem, if you can't be, so they are repeating this line again and again. And why they are repeating so? Because they want to give extra importance to this line. The poet just want to point out something to us, that if you can't be something, you will be it doesn't mean that you are meaningless, it doesn't mean that you are small. It means that if you are not doing this work, there is something you can do. The line I shall always remember means the most important line in this poem is be the best whatever you are. So this is the very important line in this poem, which tells us the essence of the poem. What is the essence of this poem? What is the most important line in this poem is be the best whatever you are. It means that whatever you are going to do your work best. That is the appreciation of the poem. Thank you.